Set to Achieve. Welcome to another video. I'm excited to be here talking to you today. And today's video, it will be titled Rebranding Myself. And why is this so important? Because I know for a lot of you that had joined my channel in the recent past, in the past few months, a lot of you had joined because of my narcissism or narcissistic abuse content, okay? And I recently, like about 6 months ago, I separated from my narc, okay? We're still married, but, but we're not living together. And, as the spirit leads, I will go through the divorce process, okay? But I'm single, and I consider myself single because I pay my own bills. I live together with my children, and he lives apart. As a matter of fact, he even went to another state. So why am I saying this? I'm saying this because I want you all to know that I have decided to go ahead and rebrand myself. And what does that mean? That means that I want to be, known for more than just narcissistic abuse, okay? If you have been following me and watching my videos, you would see that I have been posting things on, sorry, just my phone, okay. So I've been posting things on the blueprint, okay? Because I recently came across the blueprint, and the blueprint teaches you how to market yourself, especially selling digital products. So right now I sell digital products online that are done for you, created for you. They set up your website for you. It's called IPS, Infinitive Processing System, and they set up your website for you, and they teach you how to market yourself online and on social media. Well, I already was on social media, but our social media of choice was TikTok, because you could do short form, about 30 second to 1 minute content, put it out there for people, and and connect your perfect customers. So why did I decide to rebrand myself? Because I didn't want the narcissistic abusive relationship to define me, okay? I had suffered for a long time. We were together for close to 20 years, married for close to 17, okay? So it was, something that I needed to do, I needed to do to, in my recovery, okay? Because I'm still in the recovery process. I have 3 teenagers, all in high school now, and I'm very blessed. I give God all the glory for that. And so, yes, I've been promoting this digital products and learning the blueprint with our blueprint. When I talk about the blueprint really is a way of life, okay? They teach you how to brand yourself. So I already branded myself, because I already put out content or whatever, but I was rebranding myself because I wanted to be known for someone that is successful online with social media. It's very funny because I was looking at the wall and today, and I was looking at what I had posted about myself, and I had put this affirmations based on an online course that I had taken a while ago, okay? And I think it was like Freedom Formula, something like that. I had taken it. It was like, I think the creators are based in Australia. But I had, and a lot of that is mindset. A lot of the things that they teach is mindset. How like her mindset made her to be fearful of success, and because of the fact that her parents were successful and they were living large and, enjoying themselves, vacationing when she was younger. And all of a sudden they made a critical decision to move somewhere else and take up a new career, and everything came crashing down. They started struggling, and then she saw her life after a certain period as like a struggle, as a child. So because of that, she was afraid of success because she feared that what happened to her parents would happen to her, and that thought kept pulling her back, kept keeping her from accomplishing what it was that God had for her and what she had planned for herself. So why I'm saying this is that I just didn't want the mindset that I had concocted or the narcissism and the abuse had created in me to keep me back. I wanted more. And because of the fact that I was separated, I knew that I had to create a new life for myself, and that financial abundance, financial freedom will be a big part of my recovery. Because for a lot of women and people in general, because I know narcissism doesn't just affect a certain sex, it affects men and women alike. Okay, a lot of men have narcissistic wives, that have a camouflage. They present, especially the coverts, they are the worst. Okay, so I'm still dealing with narcissistic abuse, and recovery. Like even my mom, I had to block my mom, okay, because of some of the things that she would say and do, and not respecting my boundaries, And I told her, you will be blocked. And she's like, fine, block me. Okay. So what am I saying? So not only in relational situations am I still dealing with the abuse, I'm still dealing with, my reactions to abuse, even with my family. Okay. Because I was raised to accept abuse. I was raised to accept, people that break into your boundaries, because I thought that was the way to be. And that's why it was so easy for me to be connected with a narcissist. Okay? So, moving forward, I decided to go ahead and learn this blueprint because I wanted to redefine myself, make a new name for myself. I wanted to define myself as abundance, And I was looking at this, and I'm gonna quickly show you guys what I mean. So I'm gonna flip here my camera here if it allows me. It's not gonna allow me, but I'm gonna just flip it like this and show you all. Okay, if you can see right here. Okay, so it's probably showing it backwards, But what I'm saying is this: that I chose to redefine myself. Okay, so I saw that about a few months ago when I took this course, Freedom Formula. Sorry. The light is okay. I had decided to put this quotes on my wall, and it was the quotes that I saw from the Freedom Formula. What they had said. Okay, it says I get to have what I want because I do. So these are the things that they wanted us to rehearse to ourselves, and I put it on my wall. As a reminder that this is what I want for myself. Okay. I am powerful, and what I decide to have becomes my reality. That's what I wanted, okay? And that's what I want you to think as well for yourself. What I decide to have becomes my reality. I get to have it all. I am loved, appreciated, and supported by money. I have a beautiful spirit and an external reality. I get paid to be me, and that's what I'm doing right now with the blueprint. Getting paid to be me. And it was funny, so because I knew that, that because based on the community that we have with the blueprint, based on, a lot of things that I was seeing, I realized that I was experiencing what I had manifested by my words and my actions. I get paid well to connect people to great products. And that is what the blueprint is. The blueprint is a lifestyle because it teaches you how to market digital products that are already in high demand in the marketplace, because people are looking to be able to market their products and make money online. So I get paid well to connect people, and these are what they define as your perfect customers, your favorite people, people that that are touched by your story. Okay, I get paid to tell them more about what it is that I offer. I choose to be unavailable for a life that's anything less than the life I've decided to have. And that's what I decided. That, what? I choose to be anything less. I choose to refuse a life that does not serve me. I choose me. Okay? And I decided to choose me. And that's why I learned the blueprint. I decided to choose me, my happiness, my prosperity, the prosperity of my children. I decided to choose to stop putting myself last. I decided to choose me and stop putting myself last. Stop putting other people's feelings above my own. And this includes anybody, family, friends, mother, father, anybody. I decided that, and when you choose you, when you decide to choose you, you're going to see who's really for you. Okay? So I decided to learn the blueprint because I knew that it will touch my life, and by me sharing like I'm sharing right now, it'll affect others. Because if I can learn this blueprint, which I've been learning, it was just about a month and a half ago, like around my birthday, that I decided to go ahead and buy into the blueprint. Okay, I sell 3 done for you digital products. Okay, I haven't bought the 4th one yet, but I will. Okay, the first one is $50. The second one is $150, which is the elite. The first one teaches you about brand marketing, branding yourself in the marketplace, and positioning yourself as a leader in the marketplace, just like I'm doing right now. The second one is the elite, teaches you about Instagram automation, and other, like Craigslist marketing and some other things. And the third one is the pro. The pro teaches you about other like marketing, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook marketing, and other types of marketing, and of course branding yourself as well, and it's just more and more, as it goes forth. And there's going to be a 4th one which I haven't added yet, but I will in the near future. But of course, in order for you to be able to be part of the blueprint and learn it, you have to have a product to sell. So you will have to buy, one of those, and everything. And I bought into the $300 one. It is a completely 100% profit. So whatever you buy, you can completely resell for 100% profit. It's not master resale rights because you can't change anything, but you can resell it. And now we have a community that is over 3,000 people that are all doing this and are winning, and it's big. So I'm really excited to be part of this blueprint and everything. And we get content ideas each and every day, which is called the 90-day challenge, to help us create new content. And I just decided to choose me, and that's why I learned the blueprint. So for all of you that had joined me because, or connected to my channel because of my narcissistic abuse recovery and information and everything, I just wanted to kind of like bring you all in this because I learned this blueprint to be able to kind of bring you all in. So a lot of you and for a lot of people in narcissistic abusive relationships, the reason why you are struggling to come out of it is because of finances. Okay, so if a lot of you can learn this blueprint, and purchase one of the products, and start learning how to market it and everything, you have my email. You can reach out to me anytime if you have any questions, and everything. And there's a lot of help in the community. There's customer service. There's all kind of help. You can even type up something, and a lot of videos will come up of people that have already researched and asked the same question. I mean, you get so much help, and everything. So for a lot of you that are recovering from narcissistic abuse, and trying to break away from your narcissist and don't know how, you need to learn how to market yourself online. Okay, and I mean in digital form, in market yourself. I'm not talking about like YouTube videos, but like just like short form TikTok content, put yourself out there. Or even if you're afraid of showing your face, they even they give us 69 different websites. I think for the $300 product, you get like 200 different websites, but as a bonus in our community, we have 69 different websites to choose from, that are high traffic, that you can create. I mean, you can, copy and paste some ads or whatever, and, get some people to learn about your blueprint. So what am I saying? I'm saying that I have rebranded myself because I want to step into my financial abundance. And I have already stepped in, and each and every day as I'm growing more in my new self, the new me that I am, that I'm growing more into to loving myself, to choosing myself. I chose me, and I chose to learn this blueprint. Every day is not, always, what I expect it to be. Some days have its challenges, but I still choose me, and I choose God, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, and share, and come back for more, and if you're interested in learning more about the blueprint, I'm going to leave a link in the description. It's going to take you to my squeeze page, which will then take you to my email list. So you're going to be part of my list, and you're going to get the automated emails teaching you about the blueprint, and what it's about. Is a video in one of the first email, I believe, and I think a link to purchase the products if you're ready. Okay. All right. This is Set to Achieve. It was nice seeing you and talking with you, talking more with you, and I'm gonna put forth more content, and remain blessed.